Hello everyone. This video is a demo telling how data is pushed and pulled from Salesforce to Dr. Chrono and vice versa. For the same, we have created these 5 buttons: pull patient, pull appointment, pull doctor, push patient, and push appointment. All the pushed and pulled data is managed on the basis of the date. We have filtered the data that only fetches the data for the last 20 days. Firstly, we will click on the Pull Patient button. It shows a success message window that tells a total of 19 patients have been inserted. Let us verify this. I will check the corresponding records in all records. Here we can clearly see that 19 patients are there on the list. Similarly, for the Pull Appointment button, we will see a success message that say one appointment has been inserted. Let us cross-verify appointments too. If we navigate to appointments, it is fairly visible that one appointment is successfully inserted. Again, if we check the Pull Doctor, it shows the insertion of one doctor. And after checking, we can conclude this verification was successful too. For Push Patient, we have to manually add a record. We will enter a new patient into the records, fill all the required fields. Let us say the patient's name is Harsh Kumar Singh. Then save it. We have successfully created a patient record. Now we will push the patient we have just created. We can see a familiar success message saying one patient has been pushed. Let us check this transaction with Dr. Chrono records. We can see that patient name Harsh Kumar Singh has been inserted successfully. We can add an email address to a particular patient record. We can see the data has been synced with Dr. Chrono's records. Now the success message says that 2 patients have been inserted. When we navigate to the Patients tab, we can see Harsh Kumar Singh has been added with Dr. Chrono's ID. And the email we inserted has been synced with this record. Also, other details have been updated successfully. Let us now create an appointment. Similarly, we must create a record with all the required fields. Save the filled details. When you will click on the Push Appointment button, we will see that one appointment has been successfully inserted. Then save it. This is how we integrate Salesforce with API. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.